The 2025 R1T sticks to a number of pickup standards, including leather, wood, and large screens for the infotainment system and instrument cluster. The seats are comfortable, and drivers of all sizes will find enough of leg, head, and shoulder room. The R1T has a spacious trunk under the front hood, a large storage compartment behind the cab, and a lockable in-bed compartment. Rivian claims the truck contains 12 cubic feet of lockable storage. The truck's crossbar system, which is both extensible and foldable, allows you to mount gear over the bed and cabin. The bed is equipped with 3 110-volt outlets and an air compressor. The R1T's curved dashboard has a massive 15.6-inch infotainment display, as well as a secondary digital readout that can be reconfigured to show gauges. The infotainment interface makes use of expanding tiles for particular features, with the main options, navigation, media, and climate controls, always visible at the bottom of the screen. To lessen system complexity, options slip out of the sides of tiles rather than into submenus. Standard connectivity offers software updates, live navigation, digital key capability, remote vehicle instructions, and other features. The new Connect Plus membership service allows you to stream video via Google Cast and access over 3,000 apps from your iPhone or Android smartphone. Apple CarPlay and Android Auto remain unavailable, but Rivian says it collaborated closely with the Apple Music team to deeply integrate this feature into Rivian's software platform, and it provides access to Apple Music's catalog. Connect Plus supports Spotify, Tidal, and Alexa, and the Wi-Fi hotspot may be shared by up to 8 devices. There is also a new Rivian premium audio system and an upgraded wireless phone charger. The R1T is available with 3 distinct battery packs for 2025. Compared to the 2024 standard battery dual motor, the improved chemistry lithium iron phosphate standard pack is expected to last 258 miles, a minor loss of 12 miles. A maximum driving range of 352 miles is claimed for the large battery pack and 420 miles with the max battery pack. A suitable DC fast charger can charge the large and max batteries at 220 kilowatts, whereas the standard battery can only reach a maximum charge rate of 200 kilowatts. Rivian claims the 2025 R1T can tow the same 11,000 pounds as the previous year's model and is optimistic the pickup will have a payload of 1,764 pounds.